Hey, here is my drone and it's winterproof. So I took my drone and put this silicone coating yesterday. Simply with a brush just cover the flight controller and a Vista unit. And it should be a waterproof, snowproof, basically a winterproof drone. Then it definitely can survive a little snow. So let's put a fresh battery and push the drone even further. By the way, I'm flying with the new DJI Crystal HD antennas, so the range is pretty good so far, especially from the inside the car. Maybe let's test the GPS rescue and I will try to push the range even further. Damn Betaflight rescue. It has been showing the home position all satellites and still fails safe for no reason. And I don't even see that drone now anymore. And cannot even hear any beeps. Even my goggles show that the drone is still on and buried somewhere under the snow. It shows a full signal now, but not much else I can see from my goggles. Okay, here the signal is dropping, so I guess I should turn around. Oh, and you can hear it. What? This is a joke. I mean, let's see if it still works. And it is working. I just need to clear the motors from the snow. And let's try to shake the rest with some flips and high-speed passes now. Wow, it's still full of snow, but it flies. The snow inside, it really doesn't matter, apart the extra weight. Okay, so I have cleaned the drone and we can go for another battery. And thanks for watching. All the info and product links are in the video description below. Subscribe for more videos and I will see you in the next one.